Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. So Apple Pay gives customers a quick and simple way to pay using supported Apple devices. And the setup can be done directly from your Shopify payment settings. The options you may see here may depend on your country, so I'll show you what to do if Shopify payments is not available. So first, I want you to open your Shopify admin dashboard, and from here go to settings, then select payments from the menu on the left. So this is where you can manage the payment methods and providers connected to your store. And if Shopify payments is available in your country, you can activate it by following the setup instructions shown on the screen. Apple Pay is also included as one of the supported payment options. So once Shopify payments is properly set up, customers with compatible devices can use Apple Pay during checkout. And if Shopify payments is not available, stay on the payments page and click choose a provider. Shopify will show you a list of third-party payment providers. You can use the filter option and select Apple Pay to narrow down the list to providers that is supported or that supports it. So from the available results, choose the payment provider you want to use, but keep in mind that each provider can have its own setup process. So follow the instructions provided to connect and complete your account setup. Once everything is configured, make sure your payment settings are saved and the provider setup is complete. And that is how you can add Apple Pay support to your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.